So, welcome to this YouTube video. I think that will be my first YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we're gonna do the FreeCodeCamp curriculum for full stack developer. Sorry, certified full stack developer. So, we want to build today an email masker. So first of all, what's an email masker? Email masker. Simple definition. Email masking. Technique of altering email. Okay. So let's go on to the work. Hope you guys see the text. Let me reduce my. I'll put it up here. Okay. I think it is better. Okay, so let's go. In this lab, I think it should be like this, so I can see the text very well. So in this lab, we will mask the username. Okay, but email address with asterisks. Masking is a term used to hide or replace sensitive information with asterisks. For example, if the email address was email@blah.com, then the mask email address would be okay. Fulfill the user stories below and get all the test paths to complete the lab. So the first user story is create a function called mask email that take email as an argument. So I'll create a function mask email. I think that the camel case is also is being used when naming functions. That's the reason why there's a small m here in lowercase and e is in higher case. So email is an argument. Here's the function with the function bottom, and inside the second step is inside the function you should mask the email and append the domain and append the name to it. Remember, you can use method like blah 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 blah. Okay, that is an interesting part. So inside the function you can mask the email and apparent to it, or even replace to help you. Outside of the function, declare a variable email to store the email address you want to mask. Call the okay. Okay, so let's just try it. So I think that slice function is to remove some words. So I want that the email should be masked like this. So I want this result. Okay. So let me just try and put my raw code here first. Okay. Let me remove editor. Okay. So the first step here is to access the email. And it's done through the parameter. second step is to max to change the, I think that based on this, for example, the first character and the last character are normal, and the middle character, so for example M and what is in the middle should be in asterisk. So let me just say asterisks and L. Okay, let's go to gmail.com. So that's how the email should be masked. So let me just, okay, so that means I need to replace the inner letters with asterisks, and to do that we need the function replace. So what's the syntax again? I don't have that in here. Let me just check on YouTube. Replace function choose. So replace function is like, okay, replace Microsoft with this. Let me just copy the syntax here. Now is our interest in the searches by a string, a regular expression. Method returns a new string. It's okay. Search value. Okay. Here's the syntax. So string search value. New one. So I'll show you what we get here. So let me just open this thing, open this W square open. Okay. So I have to replace this. How is the size function again? Let's go slice, I think, because that was the invariant. So okay, slice will cut from 0 from hash to fit another thing is the portrait or only have that's it. So actually from position 3. So okay. So I just take start and use it. Slice require start position, option, and position up to but not include. Okay. So let's also go down on this function. I'm still building my reasoning, and let me press. So the next function is slice. Here's the syntax. So the next function it asks us to use is repeat an index of and repeat. I know already for sure that repeat is just to repeat the letter of the characters that's been on. So index of give the character index of yes, index of welcome 1 2 0 1 2. So that's how that's how it's functioning. 13. Oh no, yeah, it's not 30, it's not 1 2. Ah, yeah, okay. Welcome is always the first, how do I say, the first occurrence of the word, the beginning of the word. So that's where it gets sensitive. So I just start. So actually, start from position 1. Finally, what was the was repeat. So repeat, edit. All times that just means that we take these words and have it twice. Repeat. Hello world. Okay. So let me just take the syntax. No time is good. So how can I do it now like this? So I know that this asterisk should be in between them here. So the index position 1. Give us thing that we should think. Let me read it again. It says create a new what's the text? Should not append the domain name to it. Okay, domain name. What's the domain name? I think the domain name is this store. Domain name. Yeah, that's it. Symbol domain. Here's a domain name. So I should max this and append the domain name. So let me think, how can I do it? I know that I can replace a value here. I can replace all the value here with asterisks, but I don't know how to iterate in the word. So that's leaves me thinking. Okay, I can first of all slice. So step 1, slice. And how will I slice? I will take from position the string, which is string from position 1, not position 1 here, slice from position 1 up to what's the length? I need to have the length of the character of the word. Because if I cannot have the length of the word, I cannot slice. Okay. But no, because okay. Now up to have the length, the string. I can have the length of the string Yeah, minus 1. I think that it will go since maybe let's say for example we have Allen and the string length is 5. Yeah, the string length is 5. So the first element, the second element will be here, and the second element will be here. So I will slice. Or maybe let me slice the first element and the second element and the last element. Okay, but I won't be able. Okay, let me try another method. So I'll store them in a variable, say first character, first letter, character, so equals to string slice. Zero to 0. It doesn't make sense when it's 1. Yeah, 0 to 1. Then we take the first character and this one, second character, it goes from string length. Because I want, let's say for example, the example here was Allen. So I want to take away this character. It's at position 1 minus, so it will be string won't length minus 1. So now I have removed the characters in between. I'll slice, I'll store them somewhere else. Now, how do I manage with? Because as I said with this example, so I'll just correct them. Now I want to change all these letters here to asterisks. I could have done it in the I think that reverse form is better. Reverse form is better. I think that instead of sliding or removing the first and the last character, it should instead remove the first character, the middle characters, calculate the length, and repeat the asterisk. I think that should be the solution. So let's try it. Let's see. Constant middle character. String font slice. Slice. I will take. We'll start from 0. I'll start from 1 up to string length. No, up to string minus 1. Minus, okay, so it will come here because string minus 1 is here, so it will end by e. So that's it. We have the middle character. Now, what's the length of the middle character? Constant length of middle character, which is equals to middle character. It's a number of point length. Okay, that's it. Now, what should I do? I should okay, so I needed to do that. Repeat, let me see again, just repeat string, copies a string. So how does it function? Repeat text, boom text, okay. The text here, the string here is just a constant coded, let's say mask, equals to asterisk, point, repeat, take the length of middle. Okay. Now I have it. I will take result. Change the return plus char close mask close plus char. Now this arrow stuff. So I basically think that I have the solution. Let me test it. No, it's not working. So how to make my page? So okay, let me try what I said. With this code editor, I cannot. You can always try and use now this code editor. Sorry, this text editor. Let me try and use this thing. Paste my ideas so I can. It's the same thing. So I'll just put on another stream thing and try to put it from here. So as I said, I will try and declare two constants. Constant for the first character, which will be we use the slicing method stuff. There's a problem here. There is a problem. I cannot take email and just slice it because the email is made up of. Here's the email. So there is a point where I need to remove another part of the email and store it I need to remove, let's say, I need to remove this part, this domain store email. And how do I remove it? I know that sliding starts from, I think I can still use slides, which is here. Slides from 0. So the problem is I don't have the value, I don't have the position of the asterisk, and I don't know how to determine it. So slides extract indexOf, let's say, okay, indexOf, itinerary indexOf, okay. Let's go on. So first of all, take how does indexOf function? Okay, this way. IndexOf text email asterisk. We cannot use it. How do we do in English? I don't know the name. Estate in English. I don't see it. Abstract no. It at so I just name at. So at index of at will be we reduce email and index interesting exercise. So index of now I have the index now when I have the index now I can slice the name because email domain so unique name, unique username, so I can slice the username username. So how do I, since I know that the username is after, so I will slice, I will take the email and slice from 0 to index of etc. Okay, now what I have is just the, let's say, Allen. So let's just say that the email was just to help me to understand Allen arrobas gmail.com. Now here I'm getting the index of estate. Afterwards, now I'm slicing, so I'm taking the index of X words away. I'm taking the index, I'm sliding, I'm removing the username from the email. So afterwards, I'll extract the first character user using this using the same slide method. So I use username with the same slide. Okay, let's go. Same slides necessary. So I will just go from 0 up to 1. Do the same thing with the constant with the last character. That's how my program went. Last character. I'm talking here of pen, meaning A. Let's just say A. Last character will be the same thing, username, slash last character. The last character will be also will go from the length, because we're talking of here and we want to remove the last character, this character. With all this character, we have to go from A to from this position to the length, string length. So it will be like username point string point length with t minus 1. Let's go again. Username point length. So I'm sliding, extracting, let's see, the last character, and so after extracting the last character, now I have to store the, since I think that string slice is creating just a new slice is string, creating a new variable, a new string, sorry, a little bit tired. So slice, creating a new string. Where is the method? Description, the extractor part of the string. That's just it. So I will now extract the middle character. Middle character. So that's just it. And to extract the middle character, I will use the username stuff. Slice. It will go from 1 to, because we want to go, it will go from, since we want to extract only the middle character, it always starts by 0 here, so you go from 1. So from 1 to the end, so from 1 to the length, so that you can, no, it's from 1 to this position, so that the last position should be excluded. So we user name point length, username point length, -1, exactly, -1. Okay. Now let's calculate the length of the character will be middle character font length. Okay. Now let's calculate. Let's do the mask username. Mask username. So we shall use the function repeat and repeat the same length. The number of times. Okay, the number of times that we shall repeat is equal to the length of the middle character. So let's just type length of middle character. Okay. What's wrong here? Okay, so I forgot repeat. So let's just repeat. Okay. So after doing that, we just return a result, which is we do it through concatenation. So first character plus what is it? Mask username. Actually, if I don't username plus let's see plus plus this I don't say it because we extracted I think so in this there's something that I didn't do correct here. I'm gonna continue it again. I want now the domain to appear, so okay, I should also extract the domain. So I just store the domain equals to email home slice. Let's say from index. Yeah, from the index. Oh, cut. Okay, that's okay. Go extract. So I will just domain name here. Domain name. Okay. I think that will be okay for my function. Let me save it. I think that is the solution. Thank you very much for watching. So I just coded this email mask. Let me test it. So I will call let email be equals to my email address, and if you need for in string, so if you need any collaboration you want to discuss with me, just let me know. Gmail. Now let me call the function console mask email. Let's see that. Email. So this is our solution, as you can see, and Thank you very much for watching. We'll be glad to meet you for the next video. So I just coded this email mask. Let me test it. So I will call let email be equals to my email address, and if you need for in string, so if you need any collaboration you want to discuss with me, just let me know. Gmail. Now let me call the function console mask email. Let's say that. Email. So this is our solution, as you can see. And thank you very much for watching. We'll be glad to meet you for the next video.